Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camp Family channel. We were recently on a camp out and we noticed that the fridge wasn't quite running as cool as what we would like. Granted, it was in the 90s, but we thought it was time to maybe do some mods to the fridge to help it be a little more efficient, I guess is the right word. So of course you go out to YouTube, do some searching, and one of the mods that people do is the interior fan. I've never did a hard wire fan. I've purchased those little, the little 3-inch fans that you sit on one of the shelves. It's battery operated. I've used those in the past to some success, but I thought it's time to do a hardwired solution. Came across some videos on YouTube where they had mounted fans across the fins, and I thought that is definitely the way to go. I happen to have these 120 millimeter fans. Now they're just PC fans that you use in the computer, but I had 2 of them and thought they would work perfect in here. So what I did, I took my fans, bought some of these little alligator clips, and just enlarged these holes, put the clips in it, clipped it on the fins, and then just ran some new power cable down to the switch for the light. It is working really nice. What I can tell you is, sitting across at the dinette table, I can feel the fans. I mean, that's how much air is being pushed by these 2 fans. Plenty enough for in this little refrigerator. So what I need to do now is I have on order from Amazon some adapters for these clips. They are the female to 2 male adapters, so that these clips I can put in the cables. So I've got those on order. They're like a week out. I don't know where they're coming. I think they're coming from China. But it's going to be a pretty easy install once I get those 2 clips. They just tie into both those terminals there. And then I'll be able to wire both the incoming power wires as well as my 2 wires off of this pigtail that I made. Pretty easy to do. So you just take both positive leads and make a little pigtail, and then do the same for the negative. So both negatives, and then tie it into a pigtail. Then you only have 1 cable coming to this instead of 2. But that'll be the way to go. I just need to wait on the parts. So I thought I'd put together this quick little video on circulation of air inside the fridge. The next venture will be circulating the air outside the intake. So that's my next project. Either way, it's going to definitely help with efficiency for sure. Any questions, leave a comment. Be sure to like, subscribe. You know the routine. Hope everybody's doing well. We'll see you on the next one.